Welcome once more. This is AMSOL African Management Solution Limited. These people, they are hiring. So if you are doing the same thing with them, you can apply so that you can get the job as soon as possible. Now let me just break it down for you so that you can understand whether you can apply or not. So AMSOL African Management Solution Limited, they are hiring for pipe fighters. If you know that is what you did, pipe fighters. Requirements for pipe fighters must be at least a high schoolers. Kuna kazi hapa, high school stroke or technical or vocational course graduate is required. Form 4 ikiendelea na hizo vitu zingine, watu form 4 mko wengi hapo, mnaweza pata kitu. A completed tester course with the following national certification is a plus. Completed tester course with the following national certification is a plus for qualification for that. A pipe fighting NC2 stroke plumbing. The plumbers, those who are doing plumbing, kazi iko hapa. Number 3 requirements, NITA ATSA plumbing stroke pipe fighter grade 2 certification is a plus. NITA ATSA plumbing stroke pipe fighter grade 2 certification, that is a plus. NSQF approved training for pipe fighter trade under ATS level 3 is a plus. Must have at least 3 years of experience in pipe fighting installation and maintenance and repair work. Must have 1 year experience in the following tasks: installation of up to 12 ductile iron and C900 gasted piping system, flage fightings, valve and tightening of pipe, and the pressure testing of botables water lines. Must be able to utilize and operate a range of tools and equipments in installing and maintenance and repairing pipe system. Must be able to read, interpret blueprints and design the follow engineering drawings, specification and instruction. Must be able to perform physical activities such as but not limited to moderate lifting, bending, standing, climbing or walking. Must speak, read and understand English as a language. Lazima ujue Kizungu. Must pass overseas medical screening and be in a good health. To apply, those who failed should apply for this. Here is the mail: http://jobs.amsol.africa That's all. Submit your CV now. Submit your CV now. That is Amazon. Here is it. And then, still talking about Amazon, we are hiring. That is hiring number 2. We are hiring. Amazon Africa Management Solution Limited. We are hiring. Hire. Electrical engineering. Requirements. Position is electrical engineer. Electrical engineer. Electrical engineer. People are very many here. Electrical engineer. Requirements: must have a bachelor degree in electrical engineering from accredited university or college, with us equivalence for a non-US citizen is highly desired. Non-US citizen is highly desired. Must have an engineering license from the government of nationality is required. Licensed electrical engineering is required. Must have at least 5 years of experience in electrical engineering and the design construction of power, generator, uninterruptible power supply, and life safety, stroke emergency, stroke mission critical power distribution and construction. Number 4 of your requirements: military experience in a contingency environment and knowledge and experience working with government contract is preferred. Knowledge of electrical aspect of facility design and construction areas. Ability to provide technical review of design calculations, analyze drawing and specification for i.e. design and design build construction contractor, submittals to ensure compliance with project projections. Particular attention to details, good project management and leadership skills. Must have a valid country of original professional driver license and be able to operate the assigned vehicle. Kuna gari hapa. So to apply, so first there's a AB. Check www.amazon.africa for more information. Check www for AMSOL. AMSOL is AMSOL.Africa for more information. Send your CV at amsol.africa. Submit your CV now to get this job. I am still on AMSOL Africa Management Solution Limited. We are hiring mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering. This one, the other one was electrical engineering. Engineers kuna kazi hapa. Engineers kuna kazi hapa. Haya, number 1. We are talking about requirements. What you need to know, what you need to have. Must have a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering from accredited university or college with U.S. Equivalence for non-US citizen is highly desired. Must have an engineering license from the government of nationality is required. License mechanical engineering. Must have a completed refrigeration and air coordination service from the country of origin. Environmental Protection Agency, Section 608, Universal. Certification is highly preferred. Must have at least 5 years of experience in mechanical engineering, military experience in a contingency environment, and knowledge and experience working with a government contract is preferred. Particular attention to detail, a good project management and leadership skills, proven ability to organize, prioritize, and follow through to completion of multiple tasks under strict and deadline and changing priorities. Must have a good oral and written communication skill which enable effective liaisons with client, other department within the organization, subtractors, and the client, and report directly to senior management. Must possess administrative and organizational and computer skill to include proficiency with Microsoft Office Suite included, stroke MS Word, PowerPoint, MS Project, or equivalent, Excel, Outlook, and work with CAD system. Must pass overseas medical screening and be in a good health. Must have a valid country of origin professional driving license and be able to operate the assignment vehicle. My friend, mwende mfanye kazi. Apply here. Check information. Check at www.amsol.africa for more information. Then you can submit your CV at this email at amsol.africa. Submit your CV now. That is for mechanical engineering. Engineers, kuna kazi hapo. I am still working on Amsol Africa Management Solution Limited. This is a company. They are hiring roofer, someone who is dealing with roofing, wapigaji mabati tofauti. Higher requirements must be at least a high school, technical or vocational course graduate is required. Any roofing certificate is highly desired. Must have at least 3 years of experience in roofing, maintenance, and construction environment. Knowledge of hand tools, roofing, construction, and maintenance techniques, and safety procedures. Must be able to perform physical activities such as, but not limited to, bending, standing, climbing, or walking. Must be able to comfortably perform all physical activity while working at height. Must be proficient with the Microsoft program such as Outlook, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Lazima ufanye computer hapa. Must speak, read, and understand English language. Must pass overseas medical screening and be in a good health. Must have a valid driving license of your place. So NB, check www.amsol.africa for more information. Apply here. http://jobs.amsol.africa, or send your email at amsol.africa. Submit your CV now and your letters. Another one from Amsol African Management Solution Limited. We are hiring painters stroke corrosion control specialist. Painters hao ndo wale wapigaji rangi. Requirement for these painters. Oh my god, I'm not comfortable. Right. Must be at least a high school, Form 4s and above. A technical or a vocational course graduate is required. Complete TESDA course. TESDA course with a national certificate is a plus. Oh, construction painting NC2. Must have at least 2 years of experience in corrosion control and pipeline painting. Must have a working knowledge of corrosion theory and conditions leading to corrosion and the procedure utilized to remove and treat corrosion. Must have a knowledge and skill in hazardous material handling and application and disposal. Must have knowledge in interior tank cleaning. Must have knowledge in using sky climbers. Must have knowledge to erect scaffolds. Demonstrate the ability to read, understand and follow writing or oral instructions. Must have a working knowledge of applicable maintenance, technical, manual, basic tool and special tools. Must speak, read and understand the English language. Must pass overseas medical screening and be in a good health. Apply. Jobs.amsol.africa. Submit your CV now. The last about Amsol African Management Solution. We are hiring fire protection system technicians. Wazimaji moto. Fire protection system technicians. We are hiring fire protection system technicians. Must have at least high school diploma. Must have at least high school diploma. Technical or vocational course graduate is required. Knowledge of basic electrics and electricity is a plus. Personal working on fire protection system must be trained and qualified on. Automatic sprinkler system, wet and dry percussions, automatic stroke manual starting system, electric driving and diesel driving fire pumps, automatic stroke manual carbon dioxide and MF200, underfloor flooding, total flooding and hose reels. Automatic stroke manual dry chemical system. Interior fire alarm system. 120 voltage AC powered, 24 voltage DC powered. Heat detector, smoke detector, manual plus station, and horns, bells, and relays. Interior radio fire alarm system, 12 voltage DC powered, transmitted interface panels, antennas and receivers, and power supply. Fire hydrants. And then we have underground fire mains, sectional control valves, water storage tanks, fire pumps, diesel engines and electrical motors. Must be able to read, interpret, blueprint and design and follow engineering drawings. Specification and instructions. Okay, then another one, must be able to perform physical activities such as, but not limited to, bending, standing, climbing or walking. You must be someone who is flexible. Must speak, read and understand English language. Must pass overseas medical screening and be in a good health. Must have a valid professional driving license with at least restriction code 2. Check www.amsol.africa for more information. Apply here, jobs.amsol.africa. amsol.africa. That is all about AMSOL. And thank you. Please apply this thing and get a job. Be somebody. When you don't have money, you are not somebody. When you don't have money, nobody respects you. Jeshemu Baba.